Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I have a very small Old Navy summer haul for you guys. So if you guys want to see what I got and see how they look on me, please go ahead and stay tuned. Alright you guys, so as usual, I don't know say if you enjoying this video, if you enjoy the other videos on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also don't forget to like this video and the other videos. Also please remember to check out the previous video on my channel and my other channel called Yardments. If you guys are watching today this haul, I want you guys to leave some shopping bags in the comments below to let me know that you are watching and rocking with Just Devi Marie for the entire video. I know for most of y'all it's like the end of summer. Like I have this haul to film for you guys for a while now, and I've just been putting it off because I've been feeling very camboterish. But we're back again, alright? So I purchased some stuff from Old Navy some time ago. It's not really a lot of stuff. They were having a sale. I don't remember how much percent the sale was, to be honest, but they were having a sale recently and I hadn't gone on Old Navy in a while. I already have an Old Navy haul on some jeans that I bought from them that I did last year, 2020. So I'll leave that video so you guys can check out that video in the description. So I'll leave that down there so you guys can check out. I think that was actually the last time I ordered from Old Navy, if I'm not mistaken. So I decided to get a few summer pieces, like a few tank tops and a few shorts, because if you know me, I love wear shorts, especially in the summertime. So I got a few pairs and I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's not a whole lot, you guys, but yeah. And I wish I could have ordered a little bit more, but you guys know with shipping in Jamaica, you have to ensure that everything that you're purchasing is less than $50 US, or else if you purchase more than that, you are going to be subject to customs charges, and customs and duties charges can be crazy expensive. You can literally spend, say you spend $60 US, right? And then when you come to clear your package, you realize that the duties is almost equal or a little bit less than the value of the entire order. So that's a little bit unfortunate. You can't really order everything that you want to order, but anyway, I digress. So I usually wear a size 12. I have put on a little bit of weight, but I will tell you guys the sizes and the prices as I go along. So this is the bag that I got here. I must say I don't know something, but I decided to share it with you guys because I know you guys like my previous Old Navy haul, so I decided to share it with you guys. Also, I will be trying on the items for you guys, so whether on this side or on this side, you will see like a little video of me pop up showing you what it actually looks like on, so you guys can get an idea if you guys are my height or my size. Oh, by the way, I am 5'7". If you guys are interested in that, and as I say, I usually wear a size 12 like in bottoms, or a size large in tops. So that's what I'll be showing you guys today. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you is this khaki shorts. Yeah, the first thing I want to show you guys is this khaki shorts. Now I had a khaki shorts one long time ago when we did well small a long time. And I really like khaki because I feel like it can be worn with so many different stuff. I got this khaki shorts in a size 12, and it is I guess this is 3 inches, the inseam is 3 inches, so I got this in a size 12. To be honest, I don't think it has much stretch, and usually I get a size 12 when I know that the clothes them have stretch. The proper name for these shorts is actually high-waisted OG straight mineral dye jean shorts for women, 3-inch inseam, as I was telling you guys before. And as I said, I got it in a size 12, and the price for it was $11.97. I actually think the price was less than that, to be honest, but when I'm looking back in my order, I don't see the discounted price that I would have gotten. So I got that, and then the color that they say here is Merzuga. I don't know what color is that. That's the first time I'm hearing about that color. but that's the color that I got it in Marzuga, and it is, as I said, like a brown, like khaki kind of color, and it is cuffed at the bottom here. To be honest, this not really having too much stretch. At first when I tried it on, I thought it was not going to fit none at all, but it for fit. And you know, somebody on a fitness journey, well, if you're watching me, you know that I'm on a fitness journey, and I've been trying to do some things different to kind of get, not necessarily get back on track, but I feel like I've been doing the same thing for too long. So I can't wear this. I'm not gonna give it away. It's tight, but yeah, I thought it would have had much more stretch. It did say it is 2% spandex, but I don't know where the 2% spandex there. So this was the first short that I got. The next item that I got was another short. It's another high-waisted short as well. This one actually feels like it has a lot more stretch. It also is cuffed, just like the one before. I got this one in a size 14 because this one actually said that it only had 1% stretch, so I decided to size up. And to be honest, this does fit me a whole lot better. Yeah, I think it's the same 3-inch seam. Let me just look on my phone and tell you guys the correct name of it. So it's the high-waisted OG cuffed black jean shorts for women 3-inch seam. Yeah, it's the same 3-inch seam, and as I said, I got it in a size 14. It is telling me here that it was $25, but I feel like it was like about $15 to be honest. So that was the price of it. If I can find the actual prices, I'll probably put them on the screen. But yeah, I haven't had a black jean shorts in a really long time. I probably never have had one, so I decided to get one. You know, so black can wear with anything, and I know that even though it's summer and black might be hot, like I just feel like it's a good staple summer piece to have, like a good nice black shorts. And as I said, this one fits a whole lot better than the other one. It's high-waisted and I like that, and I know that I'll be getting a lot of wear out of this. It also feels very thick. It's very good quality. Usually when I get stuff from Old Navy, it's usually of good quality, so I don't usually have to worry about the quality. So yeah, that was the second shorts that I got. The next item that I got is this shirt, this short sleeve striped shirt. It is olive and white. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that properly on the camera. Hopefully you guys can see that well when I'm trying them on in the try on portion. So this is the shirt. It is ribbed material. It feels really thick as well, but not too thick like for summer, because as I say, I bought these stuff to wear in summer, and I just wanted some regular casual items. That is why I decided to get this. I got this in a size large. Let me just look back in my order again just to tell you guys what it is. It is the slim fit striped rib knit tee for women, and as I say, I got it in olive stripe, and I paid $8. I don't think I paid $8, and I got it in a size large. This fit pretty well. I almost feel like I could have gotten a medium, to be honest. Sometimes that's the thing with me, like because of the shape that I have, so I carry more of my weight in my lower body. So sometimes I can get away with wearing like a medium top, but I usually just play it safe and just get the large. But sometimes, depending on like the type of material, because this is really stretchy as well, I can get away with a medium. But I got the large. The large is okay. I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of this top because it's just a simple regular top, and like me I go out, me not go outside still, you know, the place locked down in Jamaica. Again, it was still under curfew and all that. So I mean, this is just something simple I can wear, you know, to do errands, to go to the supermarket, whatever. So I really like this. As I say, Old Navy clothes, them always good quality, so I really like this top that I got. The next top that I got, and you guys are probably gonna say, boy, you're really liking olive green or something. The next top that I got is this tank top. It is, what is pattern name? Camouflage. It's camouflage print. Also really a thick material, but very breathable at the same time. I did get it in a size large as well. This again fits me very well. I don't think I would need to size down when it came onto this one. I think the large was fine, and it feels very comfortable on my body. Let me just tell you guys exactly what the name of it is, so if you guys are looking for it on the site, you guys can find it. So the name of this particular shirt is the First Layer Slim Fit printed top for women, and the color is green camo. I said I got it in a size large. The price is $4.97, but as I say, I know I got it for cheaper than that because they were having a sale. So yeah, this is just another simple top I can just wear around the place to just, you know, do errands and whatever, because I mean I'm not really going out like that, you know, I'm just basically doing errands. So this is another top that I know I'll get a lot of wear out of. I only have one more top to show you guys. So this last top is a tie and dye top. I know that tie and dye is very popular, or has been very popular for the summer, and I decided to get this pinkish purplish tie and dye top. I got it in a size large, and I definitely could have sized down in this top because I mean it fits kind of loose. The hem is also a little bit curved, I think, or is it my imagination? I don't know. But I could have sized down in this top, but not to worry. I usually wear tops like these, casual tops. I usually tuck them in my jeans anyway because I just like that kind of put together look. So whether I wear jeans shorts or jeans pants or whatever with it, I usually tuck the shirts in. I don't wear it outside of my bottoms just because I feel like it doesn't really, what do you call it? I don't know. I feel like it doesn't really show up, or it's not really flattering on me for my body shape. As I was telling you guys, I do carry most of my weight on the bottom. My waist is kind of small, and I'm not very heavy chested, like I don't have big boobs. So you know, I like that kind of shape that it gives me when I tuck my shirt in my pants, wear a belt, it kind of cinches me in. So I do like that. Right, so this is the shirt. It's a simple shirt, as I say. Again, very good quality, good material. I'm pleased with it. I probably should have sized down. Maybe if I buy again, I probably just need to pay attention to like what kind of material it is and stuff, and maybe based on looking at it I can determine, oh, you know, I can size down. So the name of this shirt is the Everywhere Printed Slub Knit Tee for women, and this is in tie-dye pink ombre. As I said, I got it in a size large, and it says that I paid $4.97, but I know I paid less for it. So yeah, this was the shirt. This is the last shirt. I also did get some masks from them to kind of bring up my order a little bit. As I said, we're still under lockdown here in Jamaica. The measures have been tightened a little bit, which is unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. And so I decided to get some more masks because I realized that it doesn't look like we'll stop wearing masks anytime soon. So I did get 2 packs of masks. I'll probably put an image of the 2 packs on the screen so that you guys can see. I think one was like $3 and one was like $3 something. Let me see if I can tell you the cost for it. Yeah, one of them was $3 and one of them was $2. I think the one with like the American flag-esque thing was like $2, and the other one with like the cheetah print and camouflage blah blah, that one was $3. So I did get a pack of 5 triple layer masks from them, and I think those are just good to have. I know sometimes people like to match their masks. The masks that I have are just kind of basic, but you know, sometimes maybe you're going somewhere fancy and unusual and you want your mask to maybe complement your outfit. So I decided to get these colors. I have a lot of these colors in my wardrobe anyway, so I know that they will complement whatever outfit I'm wearing. So I'm glad I was able to pick up those, and as I said, very reasonable. You can also, they're reusable masks, so they're washable masks, so just like any other mask, you just wash them and they're fine. And they also have the adjustable air thing, so if you want to tighten it or loosen it, you can do that, which I appreciate as well, because I've actually started wearing them already. Because as I said, I have that video if you do it from Owen, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, so I was pretty pleased with this order, can't tell no lie. I just need to probably work on my body so the shorts fit a little bit better. It fit, but it's a little bit tight, and yeah, I don't know if over time they will stretch, but pretty pleased with my order. If you guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll try my best to link what I bought in the description, so if you guys want to purchase, you can purchase. It will be easier for you to find them, that's no problem. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. Please go ahead and give this video a like if you watched the entire video. Also remember to check out the previous video on my channel playlist, and also my other channel called Yardments. And remember, if you guys watch till the end, please remember to leave some shopping bags in the comments below so that I know that you are rocking with me. Thank you again so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.